In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a pie chart into a bar chart using Google Forms, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're using these charts for personal projects or professional presentations, this quick tutorial will get you up to speed in no time. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. This is where all your documents, including Google Forms, are stored. Once you're in Google Drive, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Apps icon. It resembles a small grid or square-shaped figure, and it gives you access to Google's suite of applications. From the list that appears, choose Forms. This will direct you to the Google Forms homepage where you can see all the forms you've created or have access to. Pick the form you want to work on by clicking on it. You'll want to make sure you've already collected some responses because that's what we'll be visualizing. Now, with the form open, click on the Responses tab situated at the top of the page, just next to Questions. This tab presents a summary of the responses collected through your form. Scroll down on this page, and you should see the pie chart that Google Forms automatically generates based on your data. To transform this data into another type of chart, we'll need to use Google Sheets. Look for the View in Sheets icon. It's a small green square with a white grid inside it. Clicking on this icon will open a new tab in your browser, taking you directly to a linked Google Sheets document containing all your form responses as raw data. Once you are in Google Sheets, the next step is to highlight the specific data that you want to visualize. This typically involves clicking and dragging your cursor over the relevant cells containing your response data. It's essential to ensure that you've selected all the necessary columns for your chart to accurately represent your information. After you've highlighted your data, go to the top of the screen and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear giving you several options. Among them, you'll want to click on Chart. Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart, and you might notice it defaults to a pie chart. To change this, click on the drop-down menu under Chart Type in the Chart Editor pane that usually appears on the right-hand side of your screen. From here you can select Bar Chart. This will convert your existing pie chart into a more dynamic bar chart, immediately reflecting your selections. And there you have it. You've successfully changed a pie chart into a bar chart using Google Forms and Google Sheets. Now you can customize the appearance or format of your bar chart further to suit your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for your data visualization project.